Find the average of 5 kilograms, 2 kilograms, 200 grams, 3 kilograms, 400 grams, and 2 kilograms. If there are multiple units, before finding the average, you must convert all units to a single unit. It is more convenient to change all units to the smallest unit. Here, we shall convert all kilograms and grams to the smaller unit grams. 5 kilograms equals 5 into 1,000 equals 5,000 grams. 2 kilograms, 200 grams equals 2 into 1,000 plus 200 grams equals 2,200 grams. 3 kilograms, 400 grams equals 3 into 1,000 plus 400 grams equals 3,400 grams. 2 kilograms equals 2 into 1,000, 2,000 grams. The sum of the given units is 5,000 grams plus 2,200 grams plus 3,400 grams plus 2,000 grams. Equals 12,600 grams. Now there are 4 weights given, so the number of units is 4. Now the formula for the average is sum of units divided by the number of units equals 12,600 grams by 4. Equals 3,150 grams, or 3 kilograms 150 grams. The average of 5 kilograms, 2 kilograms 200 grams, 3 kilograms 400 grams, and 2 kilograms is 3,150 grams, or 3 kilograms 150 grams.